Good morning sa lahat po. Shout out sa lahat-lahat. Good morning. Kanta tayo habang naglalakad inala. I recall when you say that you would never leave me. Told me more, so much more, like when the time you whispered in my ear. There was heaven in my heart. I remember when you say that you'd be here forever. When you left without saying that you're leaving, I was hurt. I won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray that you would stay. That when you're gone and oh so far away, maybe afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within. I just keep on dreaming till my heart aches. I just keep on dreaming till my heart aches. Good morning po sa lahat, ka-Sky family. Sa pumuno ng ating founder, Color Mix TV, sa ating admin, kay Sis Belsky TV Vlog, sa aming lahat ng mga members, si Ma'am Alex Vlog, si Ma'am Rod's Life, si Ma'am May Pini, si Gayat Collection, si Raquel of Sorsogon, si Ma'am Sophia Charme, Ma'am Casila Kinyas, good morning, Ma'am Rod's Life Johnny, Ma'am Chinetsky, Langga MG, Virgin, Dakan Vlog, Langga Irisel, miss you na, Langga Osilicious Jen, kalab shout out po sa inyong lahat. Si R3M on the go. Hello. Ma'am Bliss Girl, how are you? Kumusta po? Thank you. God bless us all. Kay Sir Rodel Magsipo, kay EPP TV, kay Obet Mix TV Vlog, kay Rod's Vlog, kumusta po? Sana wala akong nakakalimutan. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Good morning. Dito kami ninala nag-walking. Umot. Kaya katantakan kanan lang. Galap shout out ulit Sir Color Mix TV, pa-support po sa aming babait na founder, napaka-supportive, at sa aming admin kay Sis Belsky TV Vlog, pa-support po mga langga, at sa aming lahat pa-support po. Isingit ko na lang ay sis Sir Nimrod God of Israel, ang aming general sponsor, at sa aming lahat din ng mga sponsor. Hello, may kalab shout out. At sa aking admin ang tumulong sa akin, sa aking YT, si Sir Gary Official, at si Pastor nakalimutan ko yung pumilit sa akin na gagawa ng channel. Dalawa yan sila ni Pastor. Shout out po sa inyong lahat. Ay, si Christ Follower TV pala. At yung isa pa, yung una kong sinusuportahan, halos lahat ng live niya, mga videos niya, nandoon ako. At saka kay Sir Idol Miss Noy. Galab shout out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye, Ma'am Blister. God bless you always. Hello Nella, bye-bye. It's the Thai family. Say good morning.